Hi guys, so today we'll show you how to parallel park. So the first thing we have to do is we have to find the proper spot. So the length of the spot should be about 1.5 times larger than the length of the car. In real life it will differ. Usually spots are smaller a little bit, but for learning purpose that's what we are looking for. Well, there is one spot not far from here, so right now we are going to go there. An important thing when you're looking for a parking spot is you have to show your right turn signal. So that's very important for your driving test. As well, you're showing the drivers in the back your intentions. So once you find the spot, you have to stop close to the parked vehicle in front, so about 2 to 3 feet away from it. And your back of your car has to be approximately lined up with the back of the parked vehicle. So there is a trick that will show you how to park using your right side mirror as well. So what we have to do is we have to adjust the right mirror. We have to lower it basically. So this way you'll be able to see the curb better. So at this point we have to put our car in reverse and we have to check all our mirrors. So the rear view mirror, left side mirror, we have to do a shoulder check, 360 shoulder check, so pretty much to look all around. Again, that's very important for your road test. And same thing, you can see if you have anybody in the back. So at this point, just start backing up slowly, backing up straight. So when the middle of your car reaches the rear tire of the parked vehicle, start turning your steering wheel to the right. Slowly start to back up. So what we're looking for, we have to reach approximately a 45 degree angle from the car in front of us. At this point you have to straighten the steering wheel and slowly start backing up. At the same time turning the steering to the left. So as we go, we'll be looking at our right view mirror where we can right now see the curb. This will help a lot. So as you go, the amount of turning that you do will vary depending on the vehicle, because cars are different lengths, different size. The turning radius of the car will be different as well, and the size of the spot will affect the amount of turning that we do. So now we have entered the spot, and let's see how much space we have left to the curb. So the amount of space should be about 12 inches. I think we are less than that right now. So the distance to the car in the front, in the back, should be at least 3 feet. Ideally, again, in real life it will differ, and as you get better you'll see that you can fit in smaller spots as well. So these were general recommendations pretty much, and as I said, it will vary on your vehicle, the method that you choose, but the basic idea is behind it is just repetition. So you have to practice a lot, and that's the only way to get better. So I guess that's all to it. So I wish you good luck at your road test, and goodbye.